The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is packed full of innovations. It's a smartphone made for dreamers and doers and drivers of change. And we can't wait to see the way you reimagine the smartphone itself. We're letting our users personalize their Z Fold 2, which is why we offer Z Fold 2 in multiple colors and custom hinge options. You can really make this one-of-a-kind smartphone your own. You can pick your phone's color and customize its hinge with 4 dynamic color options. Here, I've got Mystic Black, which goes really nicely with the splash of metallic gold. Once you've decided on a color combination, you can choose from several accessories, including a soft premium leather case and a slim standing cover made of aramid fiber. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 and the experiences that come with it can be yours on September 18th. Pre-orders start today, so don't wait to reserve yours now. We are pleased to offer Galaxy Z Premier Service, which provides on-demand concierge support from a dedicated team of product experts. It will now be easier than ever to connect one-on-one with experts and discover how to unlock unique experiences. Galaxy Z Fold 2 owners will also be provided with a one-time device protection against accidental display damage within 1 year of purchase. The Galaxy Z Premier service extends to our entire foldable lineup, including the Galaxy Fold and Z Flip. And in case you missed it, the 5G version of the Galaxy Z Flip launched in August. The limited Galaxy Z Fold 2 Thom Brown edition will launch from September 25th. You'll be able to pre-order this special edition in select markets starting today. It's truly limited, with only 5,000 units available globally, so you don't want to miss it. At Samsung, we're changing the shape of technology. We've broken new ground in the mobile industry, and the Galaxy Z Fold 2 unlocks entirely new experiences. Experiences that are only possible with its unique, foldable form. The Z Fold 2 will empower you to do more and to be more. More productive, more creative, more you. We can't wait to see how your journey unfolds with it. Thank you.